What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Polo Evolve back with another video. Another trade recap. Let's get into it. Another winning day, about $500 winning day. Took two trades today, and I'm gonna go through them right now. So, first one, it's not really in a particular order. Actually, let me go in order. Let's start with gold. So, with gold, I'm gonna break it down here. Daily, been going up, all-time highs. We don't really know when the resistance is going to be created, but clearly over London session we had a big correction, and then I hopped in about somewhere here, and I assumed that this 4 hour could potentially flip back bearish, but we weren't sure, so we got to bust it down to the lower time frames. And then I had a bunch of zones here, but I basically entered. You see these bullish candles coming up. I wasn't sure if it was gonna create resistance or not, but if you really bust it down to the lower time frames, like 30-minute, you can see it kind of created a mini resistance, and then we finally broke above that. So when it broke above, I entered, hit TP. Stop loss was the current candle low, and yeah, that's basically half my profit for the day. Moving on to NQ now. This same thing, bullish. We're definitely bullish in the higher time frames, but if you bust it down, let's see, like here we created this little support on the daily, and then the previous daily it tapped this resistance and then kind of closed. It's like, it's still pretty bullish, but it's not convincing enough for me to assume that the day was going to be bullish. Now if you bust it down to even the lower time frames, I had this 4 hour. So essentially what I'm looking at is, okay, we had this bullish move, and then we kind of had a bearish move, and then we created support here, but then we broke that support. We broke that support with this 4 hour. So I assumed that this 4 hour, as long as it doesn't break this previous wick, then we're probably going to be heading down, and that's exactly what happened. If I look at 9 a.m., this was 9 a.m. basically opened up. It didn't break. Well, actually busted down to the 30-minute here. So this 30-minute was a 9 o'clock close. So then once this 9:30 basically opened up, created a top wick, didn't break the previous high, and then broke the previous low, I entered with that, assuming that it would just kind of come down and touch the end of the range, which it did. I just wanted a little piece of the pie, and it ended up going for a whole lot more, but at the same time, it didn't continue in that direction, right? It ended up actually coming back into the range, and maybe it's going to just kind of range for the rest of the day. I don't know. It's figuring out its direction. I made profit today. That's all that matters. This setup wasn't the greatest, but at the end of the day, I'm just looking for a quick move in and out, and that's kind of how I trade, right? I don't want to be in the market too long. And yeah, that's basically it. The month is over, so September is over. I know I didn't make a video yesterday, but yesterday I also made about $222. So this month we are ending up with about a $3,000 profit, which is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Most of my profit was made last week, and this week I'm up $700 already. So what I wanted to do, I am eligible for a payout. As you can tell, I'm on a what is it, 6, 7, 8 win streak, 8-day win streak. I am eligible for a payout. I'm probably gonna run this up until about $5,000, so I can have, or maybe even $4,000, so I can just have that 2K buffer, maybe 5,000, just so I can have a $2,500 buffer, because you can take 50% out. But yeah, not worry too much. I just want to focus on being the best trader that I can be, sharpen up where I can sharpen up, and yeah, that's basically it. Keep this win streak going. I know eventually I will end up with a losing day. That's just inevitable. But for now, we're going to ride this wave, and we're just going to keep coming in every single day and executing to the best of our abilities. Now, that's about it for today. You guys let me know, how did your trading day go? Did you guys take a win, a loss? Let me know. Any similar trades? Yeah, as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Peace.